Hi friends, so this video shows how to decode or decrypt OpenStack Keystone token so we can see what is inside. So first I am going to get one new token. So for that I am going to make a post request to this endpoint identity with three auth tokens with this JSON body. So you can see in this body I have mentioned the method identity method is password. You can see I have mentioned username and password here. So when I submit this request I will get a token. So let me send this request. Click on send, and here you can see the output, and you have to go to the header section. Go to the headers, response headers. In response headers you can see the token. You can see the X subject token header here. Just copy this value. Okay. So then open Python terminal. Then store token string equal to the token which you copied. Okay, so now I stored this token to this variable. So after that we can use this Python code to decode or decrypt that token. So basically here you can see I just imported Keystone. Then from keystone.token, here I imported token formatters. Then from token formatters, you can see one class called token formatter. Here I am creating an update of that class, update of token formatter class. Then, we need this step to configure. We just import server from Keystone, then call server.configure. Then we need to call the validate underscore token method of the formatter object. So this token formatter class has this method. So we need to invoke that method with the token which you copied. So you can see I am passing this variable token str variable to this method. So let me execute this line. Okay, done. So after that we can just print this variable. Just copy it and print it. Now here we can see the output. So here, this part, this is the user ID, then the password, then the project ID, then the date, token creation time. So these are the information which I decrypted from the token string. So let me confirm this user ID and password. So let me exit from this Python console. Then let me run OpenStack user list. You can see the user ID here ending with 48. So that is this one. So that is the ID of the admin user. So let me list project. And here you can see it's ending with 8B. So that is the ID of the admin project. So this way we can decode OpenStack Keystone token. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.